Shaken is week, so days of the week. Like in the Shaken. So the first one is Jiluan. Jiluan. So Jiluan.
Jiluan?
Jiluan. Ji means day as with days of the week. Yeah. Jiluan. 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 Or Jiluan. Yeah. So it is indeed a Monday. So yeah. Only it's
okay.
I see. Moon Day.
Yes, Monday.
I think it comes from Latin.
It does. Yes.
Both halves of it, I think. Yeah.
Yes. Some of them, half and half. Some of them come from Latin, and some of them come from Old Irish. So, okay. So next one is Jimarsht. Wow, we saw yesterday. We saw March, the March and the Jimarsht. So same thing. That's the Mars day. Mars day. Yeah, Jimarsht. Okay, so this is Latin again, and here is in the picture you can see there is a connotation. Yeah. Okay, Jimarsht is Tuesday. Okay, of course, day of Mars, God of War. Okay, so Jikirden, that's Wednesday. Jikirden comes from Old Irish, and it means the day of the first fast. So, yeah. So as you see in the picture.
Day of first class.
Yeah, they had.
How's it pronounced?
Jikirden.
Jikirden.
So the day of the fast is in not eating? Is
yes.
Is that the point? Okay.
As
cool.
You see, it's only water, right?
Cool.
Yeah, because they had 2 fast days as well traditionally and still retained by the Catholic Church.
Very slender people, I'm sure.
So one of them was Wednesday and the other one is Friday. So Friday is the big one, but this is the first one of the week. So Jikirden. Yeah. Okay, so Wednesday. And Jiarstin, as we can expect, because it's between Wednesday, which is the first fast, and Friday, which is the big fast. So saying Jiarstin. Jiarstin. Yeah, Jiarstin. Okay, so that's Thursday. Okay. Yeah. So R is actually what is left of ether, which means between. Yeah. N is fast in Old Irish.
It's between two fasting.
Da is 2. Yeah. So
cool. Interesting. I did not know that.
Yeah. Okay. And then Jehenia, that's the big day of fast. So
interesting.
Jehenia. So you see N as in fast, but it's in genitive, so day of the fast, of their fast. Okay, Jehenia.
This is amazing. Stuff is coming together in my head that I never knew before. Jikiyadin is the ahiyad in the first fast.
Yes.
They're doing it and thank you. That right there's worth the price of admission, Veronica.
Okay, so Friday. And then, well, bread and water and prayer. Okay. So Gisarne, back to Latin. Saturday. So Gisarne, just like in Saturdays as well. Gisarne.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah. Gisarne. Saturday. Okay. All right. Back to Latin again. Well, Gidoni. Gidoni. Let's see. Day of the Lord. Yeah. This is very Latin, right? Gidoni.
Donich.
Gidoni. Yeah, you don't pronounce the MH because it's in the middle of the word. So Gidoni. Day of the Lord. Okay, in South US, Para and Benbecula, and other Catholic areas, in fact.
Gidoni.
Gidonic. There are two words for Sunday, okay? And the first one is Gidonic, that's for Catholic areas, right? Day of the Lord. Okay. And then, that's for Protestant areas, it's Lana Savage. Lana Savage. Lana Savage.
Savich.
Sabbath.
Sabbath.
The Sabbath, basically. Yeah.
Mhm.
The long A is
Something.
very important because otherwise it's the day of
Yes,
fighting.
yes, exactly. Supposed to just sit at home, go between home and church. Yeah. So that's savage. Don't do very much. You're not allowed to go for a walk.
Especially not laundry.
No, well, no pipes for sure. No pipes, no music. So musicians here, you have to be locked indoors.
Wow.
Well, if it's
Still?
in the church, is okay.
Yeah.
But I don't know if they have music in the church, in fact.
Huh.
Well, I mean, musical instruments. They do have some singing, but they're not musical instruments. Okay. That's a few phrases and sentences and questions. Anie, Jiluan, Ahau, and Ju.
Anye, Chiluine,
Uh-huh.
and Jew.
Yeah. Okay, is it Monday today? So we have already briefly seen this construction with Ahau. Anie, Jiluan, Ahau, and Ju. Is it Monday today? Obviously, it could be any day here.
And the it is masculine in this case. Is that standard? An a.
Anie, Jiluan, Ahau, and Ju. No, it's just a construction like this. It's a person. Anie. It's mostly now is used regardless of the gender, unlike in Irish. So, the answer is she jikia the nahawanaju. She jikia the nahawanaju.
Oleshko.
It's Wednesday today. Time to fast. She jikia the nahawanaju. Well, obviously it's not today, but anyway. She jikia the nahawanaju. Yes, because it's meat. Okay. And the negative answer would be Hane, Jidonich, Ahaun, and Jew.
Hane Jidoni, and Jew.
Hane, Jidonich, Ahaun. It's not Sunday today. That's pretty much it.